In a world where invisible threats loom, one company stands tall, dedicated to creating clean and safe environments. Welcome to Hygiene Merit, where we promise to offer hospital-grade cleaning and disinfection services with state-of-the-art technology. We understand the critical importance of maintaining a germ-free environment, especially in high-risk areas. Our leadership team has the know-how to deliver meticulous cleaning services that go beyond ordinary standards by also providing cleanliness assessments and tailoring an action plan for our customers. With touchless infection control equipment, we ensure that every surface is thoroughly disinfected. Additionally, we harness the power of UVC germicidal light to effectively eliminate harmful pathogens. We proudly serve the great state of Texas. Whether you're in San Antonio, Houston, Austin, or Dallas, our dedicated team is here to help, but our reach extends beyond borders. We also have a strong presence in Mexico, serving our valued clients with the same commitment to excellence. Faith is the cornerstone of our business and our lives. It drives us to uphold the highest ethical standards in everything we do. Guided by unwavering values, we believe that integrity and trust are the foundation of a successful partnership. Going above and beyond for our clients is not just a motto, it's an everyday occurrence. We believe in exceeding expectations and delivering exceptional results. We welcome accountability, offering an online application to enhance communication with our clients and promptly address any issues with efficiency. With a team of dedicated professionals, we go the extra mile to ensure your complete satisfaction. Trust us to keep your business clean and safe while you focus on what matters most. Hygiene Merit, the experts in hospital-grade cleaning.